welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you guys this beautiful new style. This is from the Wig Company. This is an exclusive style at the Wig Company, and most of you guys know the exclusive styles at the Wig Company are incredible value, fantastic value for your money. So if you're looking for a great wig, great fibers, great styles, go check out the Wig Company because you can get your hands on a wig for affordable prices. So I highly recommend them. They also have other brands and colors available at their store. So check them out on their various social media platforms and sign up for their newsletter, find out what they have going on. I will have all those links down below. So this new style that I'm sharing with you guys today is called Illuminated. And the color that you see right here is Rooted Golden Wheat. I love the root on this style and I love the blonde. It is beautiful. So it has that light wheat blonde color and then kind of like a golden. So it's not like overly yellow, but you do have warmth. I think it's beautiful. And this style is what they call a basic cap wig. So you don't have a lace front, monofilament top, but this really does make the price point lower and more affordable. Also with certain styles, a basic cap wig actually is fantastic because it gives you the permatease, the lift, and the volume that certain styles really need. So if you are one that likes a shorter style with some lift at the roots, this might be something that you really will love. Now this is an adorable short style. You have some flippy ends. You can tuck behind the ear like I have going on, but you can actually wear it more around the front of the face. It kind of looks like a short little bob when you don't have it tucked, and then when you do tuck it, it kind of flips out the back. It's really cute. This wig is from the Wig Company Statements collection. This specific style is kind of reminiscent of the 1970s shag because you have kind of this like longer nape and then kind of shorter up at the front. Super cute. Let's do a full turnaround so you guys can see it from all angles. So with that 1970s shag vibe, you have these feathered side bangs and then that collar length nape. It definitely changes up the style when you brush the sides back versus putting them up front. This is a synthetic wig and this is average. It fits really well. I would say this wig is true average in size. Now let's take this wig off and show you guys the underside. So like I mentioned, this is a wefted wig. You have your open weft that's nice and breathable. You have great air ventilation. And then the top of this wig is wefted as well, like more of a closed wefted. You see this material making it closed wefted, but there are wefts in there. There is permatease up at that crown, but not a whole heck of a lot. What this permatease does when it has this is it gives you the beautiful silhouette of this style, but it also hides the base materials. And I really like having that dark root on this hairstyle. I just think that it gives, you know, this fun 70s shag a lot of just, I don't know, look at this color with this style. I think it looks great. It looks great in the roots. It looks great in the nape. I mean, this is such minimal permatease. I know a lot of people are very concerned about the amount of permatease some wigs have, and they did a fabulous job with this style. You can fluff it up, make it more smooth, as you can see. It's just a super fun shag. Okay, let's put this style back on. Super comfortable. You could use some hair products and actually make it more pieced out and like edgy looking. Just a lot of fun with this here shaggy 1970s illuminated wig from the Wig Company. Okay, so as far as the length goes, the front is 5 inches. The crown is 5 3/4 inches. The sides are 5.5 inches. The back is also 5.5 inches. And your nape is 4 1/4 inches. It's a really comfortable wig. You have stretchy, resilient material all throughout the cap of this wig. You have that slightly extended open nape. And I forgot to mention that you also have these open ear tabs. All of these features are very comfortable, but also they make it so that this wig is very affordable. If you're looking for a fun, funky, light wig for spring and summer, definitely check out Illuminated by Statements from the Wig Company. Let me know what you guys think about this beautiful color. Again, that is Rooted Golden Wheat, and this is Illuminated. Give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe if this was helpful. And remember, go follow the Wig Company on their social media platforms. They have a lot of wigs and products over there, and of course, they have their exclusive lines that are fabulous prices. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and until next time, I'll see you later.